समान नंबर स्टार्ट करेंगे।
यस सर।
Write this. I think these two we did yesterday. Magnitudes were 1. They were all unit vectors. Now not unit vectors. थोड़ा आंसर बदलता हो बस उतना ही. We did them on Saturday. We are doing second time. Look here. Come on. Waiting fast. We did this yesterday, Saturday also. Same problem. Answer, man. बच्चे लोग आंसर. बच्चे लोग आंसर.
Letter A cross.
Shall I? A bar dot C bar correct man? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Correct, sir.
A bar dot C bar into A bar. A bar is unit vector. Correct?
Yes.
So what does it gives you? बोलो man. What is A bar dot C bar?
So,
Correct?
yes, sir.
A bar is 1, C bar is 2. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Take these two terms the other side. What is B bar is equal to? Correct? Eh? Apply modulus on both sides. Correct? Square. Correct? What is left hand side? 1. Right hand side. Mod C square plus. बोलो man. 4 cos square theta mod A square minus 4 times minus 2 times C bar dot 2 cos theta A bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 is equal to mod C square is 4 plus 4 cos square theta mod A square 1. Constant is 4 cos theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. 4 cos theta.
It's 4 cos theta. C bar dot A bar. Mod C bar mod A bar. Cos of angle between A bar and C bar, which I assumed as theta. So what will I get, man? 4 plus 4 cos square theta, बोलो जी, minus 4 cos theta into mod C bar is 2, mod A bar 1. Again, this is cos theta. So what will I get? 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos square theta. What is it, man? Take it the other side. Minus 4 cos square theta is minus 3. Am I correct? Cos square theta is 3 by 4. So cos theta is how much, man? Plus or minus root 3 by 2. Two values. One value of theta.
120, 150 degree. 150.
Another value 150 for minus.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Can I clear first two lines?
Yes, sir.
Abrar,
Yes, sir.
Adnan, शोएब आया? अभी नहीं आया? शोएब एब्सेंट है. Sorry, can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
I made the tomorrow also class at 10:45. Waiting man.
Sir, cos inverse 1 by 12 between A and C.
Answer man. I think you won't get proper angles if I'm not correct.
Sir, A bar comma B bar is cos inverse 1 by 12.
Correct. None correct. Very good man. What's the expansion? A dot C into B minus A dot B into C is B bar by 3 plus C bar by 3. कैसे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Comparing coefficients of like vectors. What's the coefficient of B bar left hand side man? A bar dot C bar right hand side 1 by 3. This is mod A bar mod C bar. Correct?
Yes,
Cos
sir.
of angle between these are magnitudes of 2 each. Each of magnitude 2.
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 into. So what is cos of angle between A bar and C bar man?
One. Yes, sir.
So angle between A bar and C bar.
Cos inverse 1 by 12.
Abra correct hai?
Yes, sir.
Second one.
Cos inverse minus 1 by 12.
What will I get? Coefficient of C bar minus of A bar dot B bar is 1 by 3. A bar dot B bar minus 1 by 3. Same steps. A bar C bar. Cos inverse minus 1 by 12. Cos inverse minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. So pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 12. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear first 3 lines?
Yes, sir.
Any update about IP exams? Sir?
क्या बोले?
Any update about IP exams?
No update. If there is any, I'll inform you.
Yes, sir.
Government is still contemplating. रहते हैं नहीं रहते नहीं मालूम. They said they'll take decision this week. You should have exams, man. You should not. They should not cancel this time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If they cancel, you will struggle in mains exam and advanced exam. First, what is the projection of A bar along B bar?
A bar dot B
So
bar.
A bar
divided by
dot
mod.
B bar by mod B bar.
Projection of A bar along B bar. बोलो मैम. A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Correct है? What's the formula? This is the formula. What is given? Projection of R bar along A bar. मतलब क्या है? R bar dot A bar by mod A bar is equal to 2. But mod A bar is 1. A bar is unit vector. So R dot A is 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is given? A bar cross R bar plus B bar एक काम करेंगे जी take dot with A bar. Mane, what am I doing? A bar dot A cross R plus B bar is equal to A bar dot R bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will I get? A bar dot A cross R plus A bar dot B bar equal to
Equal
A
to 2.
bar dot R bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
What is A bar dot A cross R?
Box AAR.
Box AAR plus A dot B हमको पता नहीं है. What is A dot R?
2.
Correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next step. Take cross with A bar because it is A bar cross B bar. Cross with A bar. What will I get, man? A bar cross come on, simplify this. Use same logic. You should get the answer. Give me the answer now. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What will I get, man?
Sir,
A bar cross R plus A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross R bar. Am I correct?
Sir, correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the expansion first term?
A bar dot R bar into A
Into A bar
minus
A dot A into R bar plus A cross B. बच्चे लोग एक सेकंड. What is A cross R?
R bar minus B bar.
R bar minus B bar.
R bar minus B bar. What is A dot R? A dot R इधर है जी
2.
2
minus A dot A 1.
1
A cross B only. R bar minus B bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ए इस तरफ लेके जाओ, B bar इधर भेज दो. 2R bar is equal to चलो am I correct?
Sir. Yes, sir.
इसका हम यूज ही नहीं कर रहे.
Sir.
So what is your R bar? Half of correct है?
Yes.
Alpha is 2.
3 होता जी. हाँ alpha 2 beta 1 gamma 1 correct है?
Yes, sir.
4, sir. 4.
Sir,
बोलो.
taking cross with A bar on both sides. That in third step, sir. Yes, that one. We get A bar cross A bar into R bar. A bar dot A bar into R bar first, na sir.
A bar dot R bar into A bar. Correct नहीं था ना?
Practice, sir.
Yes.
I don't know. So stand like this. How many of you, I'm not sure, how many of you have honestly solved the September session, sorry, February session question papers which I posted in the group from JL 41, Malakpet. 5 students solved questions pertaining to first year and submitted to their section in charge. 3 students from Mehedipatnam solved all first year questions from February papers and submitted to their in charge. But none from JL 40 so far ever told me anything. In fact, after the exam, I think next day, as soon as exam was over on February, I think on the last day, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th या 28th मेरे को याद नहीं है. I posted all the question papers in the group. अब कितने उसमें से फर्स्ट ईयर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे, कितने प्रैक्टिस करे, आई एम नॉट श्योर बिकॉज नोबडी टोल्ड मी. सर वी हैव फिनिश्ड करके कोई बोला ही नहीं मेरे को. JL 41 मेहदीपट्टनम से, सॉरी मलकपेट से 5, मेहदीपट्टनम से 3. They finished and submitted that work to their section in charges. You know why I am telling you this? I will come to know this problem is 2021 February session JEE means. इतना सिंपल है देखो. A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross A bar cross B bar, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket is equal to dash. 2021 mains February. कुछ भी नहीं है प्रॉब्लम, सिंपल है. Some more problems asked from vectors, but all of them we solved. 2020 में बाकी के पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी वेक्टर से पूछा वो आप लोग कर सकते। प्लीज सॉल्व होमवर्क फॉर टुमारो 2021 पेपर्स के ऑल वेक्टर प्रॉब्लम्स।
Okay, sir.
I think I should add one condition here. If A bar perpendicular to B bar, then it takes more time to write the problem than the solution. Shall I?
Yes.
Samrar, I answer.
B bar, sir.
इसको फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो। What is it? A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A dot A into B bar. Am I correct?
B bar, sir.
A bar perpendicular to B bar. This is 0. So what remains? Minus A dot A into B bar. Minus mod A square into B bar. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What am I left over? A bar cross minus mod A square into B bar. Am I correct? So, what's the constant? Minus mod A square into A bar cross B bar. These three. Am I correct? Yes. Again A bar here. So A bar cross minus mod A square into A bar cross B bar. What is the scalar? Minus mod A square is a scalar. बाहर डाल दो. Into A bar cross B bar again. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will be minus mod A square into A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A dot A into B bar. Am I correct? Yes. As usual, this is 0. What remains? Minus modulus of A bar whole square into minus modulus of A bar square into B bar. Am I correct? Yes, sir. So what's the answer? Mod A whole power 4 into B bar. First option, options I did not write. That is the answer. बाकी का vector problems we solved in the class. 2020 JEE advanced question. (2020) JEE advanced question. First triangle law of addition man. What is PQ bar? गलत लिखा क्या मैं? A bar is QR bar. अरे गलत लिखा जी मैं. दो PQs है. QR, RP, PQ. What is QR bar plus RP bar plus PQ bar is equal to man?
Null vector.
By triangle law of addition. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
A bar plus B bar plus C bar is null vector. What is numerator? A dot C by C dot A am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What is A dot C here? Since A bar plus B bar plus C bar is null vector, what is A dot C? बोलो मैम.
Sir.
A dot C am I correct?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन दिस विल बी ऑफ नो यूज मैम. हमको B से रिलेशन चाहिए. A डॉट B करेंगे नहीं तो. What is A dot B? B dot B. This is also 0. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
पूरे एक वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट होना. एक काम करेंगे, इसको बाद में देखेंगे. पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, क्या आएगा? 7A dot C minus 7A dot B is equal to 3A dot C minus 3B dot C. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
I will get 4A dot C is equal to 7 minus 3. 7A dot B minus 3B dot C. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is A dot C? A dot C plus B dot C plus C dot C is equal to 0. और कुछ आएगा? हमको C dot C नहीं मालूम. We know A dot A, B dot B.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, इसको C बार से करके वेस्ट है.
Yes, sir. A bar से करना.
Sorry. What's the best way to tackle? A dot B करो. A dot B plus B dot B plus B dot C is equal to 0. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in place of A dot B, what I can substitute? B dot B is how much?
16.
For 16.
Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Substitute 4 times A dot C minus 16 minus B dot C minus 3 B dot C. I'll get 4 A dot C is equal to 16 sevens
Uh, so minus 112.
minus 112 minus 10 B dot C. Correct? है?
Yes, sir.
So 4A dot C plus 10 B dot C is equal to minus 112. नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ ए बार करें, बी बार करें? बी बार करें.
bar.
डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ ए बार करेंगे. A dot A, B dot A, C dot A is equal to 0. What is A dot A, man?
9.
9 plus A dot B. So what is your A dot B? C dot A minus 9. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4A dot C 7 times. In place of A dot B, what I can substitute? C dot A minus 9 minus B dot C. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
7A dot C minus 4A dot C. 3A dot C minus 3B dot C. 7, 9, 63. A dot C minus B dot C is equal to 21. ये दोनों सॉल्व करो.
So that will be minus C dot A minus 9, no, sir.
कुछ गलत करा मैं?
A dot B equals to minus C dot A minus 9.
ओके माइनस आता. Eleven A dot C plus 3B dot C is equal to minus 63. Is this correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve these two.
Yes, sir.
Answer one.
1 minute, 7. Sir, A dot C equal to 3, sir.
B dot C. A dot C, B dot C, A dot B, तीनों बोला मेरे को.
A dot C equal to -3, B dot C equal to 30, -32.
बोलो. A dot C क्या है?
-3.
B dot C,
-32.
A dot B,
B dot C is 10, sir. -10, sir, B dot C.
$16 आ रहा है A dot B.
Yes, sir.
What is A dot B?
Sir, B dot C is -10, na, sir.
What is A dot B? Tell me, man.
Sir,
Why B dot
B
C?
dot C is -10. B dot C is
Sir,
-6.
B dot C is -10, sir.
B dot C is -10, sir.
B dot C is how much?
-10.
-10. Okay, very good.
A dot B is -6, sir.
-6 or +6? Yeah, -6.
-6.
Now look here. What was Lagrange identity? What is A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square? Remember? Mod A square, mod B square.
Sir, 1.
This is mod A square, mod B square, sin square theta. This is mod A square, mod B square, cos square theta. Mod A square, mod B square common. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is your A bar cross B bar whole square? Mod A square, mod B square minus A bar dot B bar whole square. What is mod A square? A bar dot B bar whole square. A bar dot B bar whole square. 16 nines.
140.
144 minus 36.
108.
2021. Sorry. 2021 तो ये साल. 2020 JEE advanced question. Can I?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Can I? I said,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
non-Jacinth respond.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Yes.
और एक दो एडवांस प्रॉब्लम्स है, लेंदी लेंदी करेंगे, छोड़ देंगे,
छोड़ देंगे।
करेंगे। Shall we do them or do them later?
Sir, we can do them tomorrow.
Okay. Just take a fresh page. Take a fresh page. Put the heading 3D geometry and draw this figure. Just one line. Naming of this figure also we will do tomorrow. Take a fresh page. Put the heading 3D geometry. As Hamza said, he said we'll do tomorrow. We'll do tomorrow only. Just draw this figure. इसके नाम वगैरह कल ही रखेंगे. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Put the heading 3D. On popular Hamza demand. We shall continue tomorrow. Thank you.
So, one doubt, sir.
Hello.
Actually, this axis is correct, sir. Means this axis, so z-axis should be downward now, sir, because
There is no hard and fast rule. अपनी मर्जी. For me, height is Z. Length of this is the length of the room for me. This is the breadth of the room. This is the height of the room.
sir, but this rule, no, sir, vector rule, I cross j is k, like that. One thing is there, no, sir. This right-handed.
This is J. I cross J is K. What is wrong in that?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.